In this video, I'll show you how to use a 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. First, open the Bybit app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon, then look for Rewards Center/Rewards Hub/My Rewards. This is where Bybit stores your coupons and bonuses. Find your 20 USDT coupon in the list and tap it to see what it's for. Some are for trading fee discounts, others are trial funds for derivatives. Next, tap Use Now or Go to trade on that coupon. Bybit will usually take you straight to the correct section, for example, spot or derivatives, USDT perpetual. Make sure you're trading the right product and pair that the coupon supports. If it's a fee coupon, it normally applies automatically when you place an eligible order, reducing your trading fees until the 20 USDT value is used up or the coupon expires. If it's trial funds, you'll see them credited to the specific trading account, like derivatives, and you can use them as margin, but you usually can't withdraw the coupon amount itself. Only profits. Always read the terms, expiry date, and eligible markets on the coupon so you don't miss the benefit. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.